Today, we're diving into something exciting: Lava's latest mid-range offering, the Lava Agni 3. This phone promises to bring solid performance and design at an affordable price. So, is it worth your hard-earned money? Let's find out. Lava Agni 3 comes with a sleek and modern design, featuring a premium glass back and a metallic frame that makes it feel more expensive than it actually is. You also get a side-mounted fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button, which is a nice touch. It's comfortable in the hand, and despite its 6.78-inch display, it doesn't feel bulky. The phone is available in two color variants, Frost Blue and Stellar Black. The matte finish on the back is good at resisting fingerprints, so that's a bonus. Speaking of that display, the Agni 3 packs a full HD+ 6.78-inch IPS LCD panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. This is great for smooth scrolling and even gaming. It's not a mold, but the colors are vibrant and brightness levels are pretty decent even outdoors. Watching content, playing games, or just browsing feels enjoyable on this display. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The Lava Agni 3 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM. This combination should be more than enough for everyday tasks and even heavy gaming like PUBG, Call of Duty, and Asphalt 9. In my gaming tests, the phone held up quite well. No major frame drops or stuttering, even with high graphic setting. Multitasking is also smooth thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate paired with solid hardware. Now onto the cameras. Lava has equipped the Agni 3 with a triple camera setup, a 6MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro lens. The main sensor is capable of capturing detailed shots with decent dynamic range, especially in good lighting conditions. As you can see, the photos look sharp and the colors are pretty close to natural. The ultra-wide is okay for landscapes, but don't expect too much in low light. The 2MP macro lens, well, it's decent for close-ups, but nothing too extraordinary. Video recording maxes out at 4K and the quality is decent for the price range. Stabilization is just average, though, so if you're planning to vlog or shoot on the go, you might want a gimbal. Lava Agni 3 runs on Android 13 with a close-to-stock experience. It's clean and bloat-free, which is something we tech enthusiasts love. Plus, you get features like Face Unlock, a solid battery management system, and customizable UI elements. It's refreshing to see a phone at this price point with such clean software. No annoying ads or unnecessary pre-installed apps, just smooth and responsive performance. Now, onto the battery life. The Lava Agni 3 packs a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day with moderate to heavy use. Thanks to good power optimization, it also supports 3W fast charging, which can get you from 0 to 50% in around 30 minutes. A full charge will take just over an hour, which is pretty standard for this category. So, is the Lava Agni 3 worth it? Well, at its price point of around $250, it offers a fantastic display, solid performance, a decent camera, and a clean software experience. Sure, there are a few compromises, like the lack of a mold and average low-light photography, but for the price, this phone definitely punches above its weight. If you're in the market for a mid-range smartphone that delivers a balanced experience without breaking the bank, the Lava Agni 3 is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. What do you think of the Lava Agni 3? Would you consider buying it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more tech content, and I'll see you in the next one.